I was not joking when I was lecturing to. I am a man of sarcasm. Have you not noticed that? Na nagsabi rape. Sinabi ko ba rape kayo, sundalo? Ako ang magsagot sa inyo. Because as Commander-in-Chief, I hold responsible for everything and anything that is done as a consequence of martial law. I and I alone will be criminally responsible. Kaya yung salita ko, ikonekta ninyo. Pagbarinig ng rape, kagaya ni Chelsea. She's not joking. I was being sarcastic. You listen to the speech. I do not laugh at my own jokes. Then sabihin ko sa kanya, when your father, the President of the United States, was Levinsky and the girls there in the White House, how did you feel? Did you slam your father? O kayong mga Amerikano, kayong mga press, sinong kalaban ng mga Amerikano? Wala pa namang gera dito, matagal na. Not even Korea nagpuputok araw-araw na. Ang kalaban ng mga Amerikano, pag nagpunta dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga yan, anong ginagawa? Nang-rape. Kayong mga Pilipino dyan, anong what are you doing? Binag-rape, tapos bayaran, bigyan ng visa sa buong pamilya. Wala na. It is a crime actually committed by soldiers, mostly Americans, in Okinawa, in Japan. But we never heard of a Filipino. I'm just warning them that anything they do, I have to answer for it. But I take full responsibility for your... Sarcastic ako magsalita. Binabaliktad ko yung... sabi nga ni Lacson rhetoric. Laking bugoy ako eh. Padre, pag nag-rape ko ng rape dyan, pata ako ang masasabit. Ganoon ako magsalita. I was not joking. I was being sarcastic. Kaya, kayong mga Amerikano, si Chelsea, be careful because you live in a glass house. Ulitin ko nga, I repeat, when President Clinton was Levinsky, what was your statement or your reaction? Mahirap yung tao na tao. Para bang binubugbog dito ako sa kritisy. Ay, iinsultuhin ko rin kayo. Ricardo, ganon. Ilang Pilipina. Yung bakla, pinatay nila. Kung pwede mo naman sana isipain lang, tulak mo sa labas ng kwarto. You did have to kill the transgender. Kaya dandahan kayo kasi... And I have a story to tell you guys when we have the command conference. Hindi ako atat na atat dito pagka-president. If you feel that I cannot be of service to the Filipinos and you want another one better, you can find one. Feel free to tell me.